The mighty Tukituki River is the most sensational backdrop to this divine home, nestled just a hop, skip and a jump from the famous Patangata Tavern. If you're an avid fisherman, you couldn't ask for a better place to live, with world-class fly fishing literally just off the front of the rolling lawn, or whip out to the stunning coastline only 20 minutes away. Set on just over an acre of land, or 4,095 square metres. This elegant 218 square metre home oozes class from the moment you enter the driveway. From the exterior colour and cladding to the magnolias making a statement on the drive. Enter and you'll be welcomed with a slick interior. Polished concrete floors, a lovely open-plan kitchen with scullery. There's a dining and living space with perfect flow to the outdoor entertaining spaces, including an 80 square metre deck, and the magic river views. If entertaining is your thing, then this is the home for you. A second living creates the perfect space to relax or for the kids to have their own space. Each of the 3 bedrooms is spacious in size, with the master hosting lovely river views and an ensuite with connecting walk-in wardrobe. The main bathroom is luxurious and beautifully appointed, with a bath and large walk-in shower. This home has been well thought out. There's even a basketball court space and raised veggie gardens with fruit trees established. This is an immaculate home. So if you're looking for some wow factor in an impressive location, then this is a must-see property. Contact Matt today for your opportunity to view.